Hey guys, Casey.Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this new trailer. This is not a new floor plan, but the new 19 model year. This is the Coachmen Catalina 221 TBS. Starting up front, you've obviously got the nice dual, the big 7-gallon propane tanks. Catalina puts this nice diamond plate cover on the front of these to help kind of protect against some of the rocks and stuff that are going to fly up from your tires. You got nice, obviously, of course, you got your big pass-through storage. The door is plenty big, so you can fit some of those fold-up lawn chairs or whatever else you got to get in there. Plenty of room in there. You've got a nice full-length power awning. There is an LED light strip underneath as well. You've got outside speakers, so you can listen to some music while you're camping. Come around back, I'll show you a few nice features of this trailer. All of your hookups, well, not all of them, but your power and your city water are back here on the back of the trailer. They're not on the side, or they're not on the campsite. They're back here in the back where it's easy to get to. Your city water and your black tank flush, very important, black tank flush. Over here, there's not a lot over here other than your drains, but some other nice things about the Catalina. Nice metal fender skirts, fender flares. If you do ever have a tire that fails or blows up, you're not going to damage that. Plus, they're not going to rust. They're not going to fade out like plastic ones will. All right, inside, again, this is the new 19. This is the new colors Catalinas. They finally listen to their customers and really lighten the cabinets up. It's hard to, I'm sure, come across on a video, but the colors are very nice in this. Very warm, not too dark, but not too light. Again, this is the 221 TBS. So you've got your entertainment center up front. Some of the upgrades in 19, get the camera back around here. The upgrades are a different stereo. They built them into the entertainment center, plus just a better head unit. Nice area for a large TV. The dinette, the nice big U-shaped dinette. This folds down into a bed. The nice thing about the U-shaped dinettes, however, is that when it is in the bed, it's long enough that an adult or a taller child could sleep there. Coming over, we'll just jump straight across to the galley, the kitchen. Nice big double sink with nice hard solid sink covers. They've got what they call thermofoil countertops, so that you don't have the T-molding here, the breadcrumb trap that I like to call it. Lots of storage up above. Nice shelf here, plenty of spots to store your pots and pans and plates and bowls. Nice microwave, 3-burner stove with the oven. You've got a nice big double fridge and freezer. Plenty of space in there to keep your cold stuff cold. More storage back here, nice pantry slash hanging wardrobe. There is a hanging rod up there so you can hang some clothes or a jacket or something. A couple nice shelves back there, or down there. And your bathroom. This is a TBS. The TBS stands for triple bunk, which I'll show you here in a minute. But as with most bathroom or most bunkhouse models, you do have a small tub, so you can keep your kids cleaned off a little bit easier. Short of that, you've got your toilet, of course, a little bit of counter space here to store your stuff. Nice big area down there. Maybe fold up some towels, keep some extra toilet paper, and a nice medicine cabinet. There is a vent in here with a fan. The AC is ducted throughout, so you've got AC down or back here in the bathroom plus heat. But back out here, like I said, triple bunk. Most of them anymore, a lot of people are liking the smaller, skinnier bunks. One bunk, one kid. But it's hard to get as many. So they've done a triple bunk. You've now got 3 bunks. 1, 2, 3. The other nice thing about this is if you have dogs, a nice place for maybe a dog to sleep down there on the bottom. Coming back up front, if you've got kids, you've obviously got parents. Parents got to sleep somewhere. So they get a nice private bedroom up here in the front. You've got nice hanging wardrobes on either side, a nice open shelf to be able to stack whatever you want, and nice end tables or night tables on either side of the bed. A lot of people sleep with a CPAP machine. There's plenty of room to keep that stored in here. You do have access and storage underneath the bed, and a spot up here for a TV as well. Again, you've got AC up here on the roof and heat up here in the bedroom. Again, my name's Casey.Sanguins. This is the Coachmen Catalina 221 TBS. If you have any questions about this trailer or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. 541-953-9171. Love to hear from you. Thanks.